Hello, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you the key to unlocking a life of abundance and prosperity. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle just to make ends meet? The answer lies in the sacrifices we make in our life. By letting go of certain things holding us back, we can pave the way for endless opportunities and financial freedom. Are you ready to transform your life and never be poor again? Let's dive in. Sacrifice 1. Sacrifice your limiting beliefs. It's time to release self-doubt and fear of failure. Believe in your worthiness to receive abundance. Sacrifice 2. Sacrifice procrastination. Stop putting off your dreams and take action today. Success favors those who hustle. Sacrifice 3. Sacrifice toxic relationships. Surround yourself with positivity and support. Let go of those who drain your energy and hinder your growth. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Sacrifice 4. Sacrifice instant gratification. Delayed gratification is the key to long-term success. Invest in your future rather than indulging in fleeting pleasures. Sacrifice 5. Sacrifice excuses. Take ownership of your actions and decisions. Excuses won't pay the bills or build your empire. Sacrifice 6. Sacrifice negative self-talk. Speak words of abundance and prosperity into existence. Your mindset shapes your reality. Sacrifice 7. Sacrifice comfort zones. Growth lies outside your comfort zone. Embrace challenges and welcome change with open arms. Sacrifice 8. Sacrifice materialism. True wealth is measured by experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Let go of the desire for material possessions. Sacrifice 9. Sacrifice playing small. You were born for greatness. Step into your power and unleash your full potential onto the world. Remember, the road to success is paved with sacrifices. By releasing the old and making space for the new, you can create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Are you willing to make these sacrifices and never be poor again? The choice is yours.